In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change icon in Appy Marketplace. We'll start right from your Appy account. Sign in and land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Builder area. This is where all the key tools for customizing your store are located. Click Manage to open the list of apps you can work on. Next, open your store app. This takes you to the workspace that controls how your marketplace listing looks and behaves. Inside that workspace, choose Manage App to access the settings for this specific store. Then select Edit App. This is your editing environment, and it's where you'll make visual changes like updating the icon. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see your store and its sections. If that panel is collapsed, expand it so you can easily navigate. Find your store name, then click the three dots next to it to open the More Options menu. From that menu, go to Settings. This is where all your core configuration lives. Within Settings, choose General. The General area holds branding elements that appear across your store's presence in the marketplace. Now look again at the left side panel and click Change Icon. This is the control that updates the image customers see as your store's primary identifier. Click Select Icon to open the icon picker. You'll see a library of available icons you can use. Browse through and choose an icon that matches your brand. Aim for something simple and recognizable at small sizes with strong contrast so it looks clear on different backgrounds. When you found one you like, click OK to confirm your choice. Before you leave, make sure to save your work. Click Save to apply the new icon to your store. Saving is essential. Without it, the change won't take effect. After saving, your updated icon will appear in the editor and then propagate to your marketplace listing. Depending on caching and refresh intervals, it might take a short moment to show everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it update instantly. A couple of quick tips as you finalize. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're editing the correct one by confirming the store name in the left panel before you change the icon. If the icon picker offers color variants, choose one that aligns with your brand palette for a cohesive look across your banners and screenshots. And remember, you can revisit the same general settings at any time to adjust the icon again if your branding evolves. That's it. Your Appy Marketplace store now has a fresh icon. Thanks for watching, and happy building!